Alright everyone, there's a new sound effect on Avas. It's Mack E7, like a Mack truck. So I got the Mack Truck King song now. Alright, let's see how this sounds when we hit the road. You ready, Chris? Good. Let's rock and roll. Uh-oh, gotta bring the big rig to the dump station. There we go. So I gotta say, I can't really hear this that loud when I'm driving. I'm not a big fan, I'm not gonna use it, but I think it is clever. Please keep them coming, I wanna hear more. Let's see what a 1000cc bike sounds like. Let's see. I think we might have just invented a game. Let's see if I can catch Chris.